In this quick video, I'll show you how to change crosshair in Marvel Rivals. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So to change our crosshair, we need to go to settings. For that, tap on the setting icon on top right corner. Once you tap on it, go to settings from here. And now we need to go to controller panel from here. And then we need to click on combat. And from here you can change your crosshair in HUD section. As you can see, this is my current crosshair, which is default one. I want to change it. So for that we just need to select different crosshair from reticle type. So for that we just need to tap here and multiple options are here. I want to select these crosshairs. So for that I'll select it and then my crosshair will be changed to this. If you want to change advanced setting of this crosshair, then just tap on advanced from here. Once you tap on it, then more options will be open in front of you. So I don't want to have this animation, so for that I'll simply deselect it and then the animation will be gone. If you want to change the width, reticle opacity, outline width, you can adjust all the settings from here. I just want to change the color, so for that I'll scroll down here and you will see this color option. So I want to have red color, so for that I'll simply select it and then my color will be changed, as you can see it here. To save this crosshair, we need to go up and from here we need to tap on save as new. Once you tap on it, it will ask you to rename your crosshair. I just want to rename it 1 and then tap on confirm to confirm your crosshair. If you want to go back to your default crosshair, then tap on the list and select the default one, or you can simply tap on the list and select the new crosshair you just saved. So I'll just simply select it and start a new game. And as you can see, my crosshair has been successfully changed in my Marvel Rivals. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? Thanks for watching.